Pre-running day 2.
It doesn't work. It's broken. It's broken.
The car is so loud.
For the belt burners out there in the world.
It looks like it is still connected, so.
Our power steering pump was failing. Pre-run day 3. This is the infamous mailbox. Car did real good. Car handled real good.
0875.
Running day 2. This is Aftershock. This is the waterfall. There's a bypass up here that's real off camber right there, but it gets you past all this, so we figured we'd get out of the car and check this whole thing out, figure out which way Scott wants to go in the race. But the waterfall's super ugly. I mean, lots of, look at all the rubber somebody left here. This thing's legit gnarly. EMC and UTV are allowed to take the bypass because it fits in the canyon walls. So we ran up this my first year racing, 2020, and it was at the base of this trail, which was kind of the first rock trail, that we realized our power steering pump was failing. And we hadn't pre-run it. I knew the bypass was off camber from just being in here with friends. What do you think, Scott?
I'm not too worried.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just kind of come over with a little bit of speed and just turn into it and let it wall ride down.
Yeah. I think it's hard for the driver because you can't see any of it.
Yeah.
Pick your reference points and then have your turn-in point and just send it. Like that, piece of cake. Pre-run day 3. We are at the top of Jackhammer. Car did real good. Car handled real good. Got to the spot that's just kind of the main obstacle or waterfall. Practiced our winching technique, communication for that. On race day, they'll probably have like winch mob recovery out here, and they'll probably have the rock pre-slung. So theoretically, all we should have to do is wait our turn, clip the cable in, and Scott can do the rest. So this is the main waterfall obstacle here. So depending on your wheelbase and your vehicle width, you get, front tires pushed up against these two and then back stuck in this hole. So winch off that big rock up there, get through there, and then it's pretty smooth sailing up through all of this.
For the belt burners out there in the world.
This is a necessary skill. like that.
And you gotta spin it into the gear, into the ratio, because the spring is the spring is always trying to shift it backwards. So just spin it till it's hard to spin. Shifting into the lowest ratio.
Huh. And then will this all be nuclear hot if we're doing it at...
It'll be pretty warm. It looks like the belt time's having.
Driving up that is being passenger going up that. Happening.
We probably need to get a new radiator, huh?
We ran the scariest part of the course, so I feel like Scott and I bonded a little bit.
We need gas, we need supercharger oil, and coolant. Just keep putting fluids in the car.
Nobody knows anything.
Shocker.
So that's another thing is like, this car's got to qualify with leaking radiator.
How's your beer supply?
Well,
And then
Kevin
we,
just lost it. So.
I got it! I got it! Shut up! I got it!
You want me to do it, Butterfingers?
Jesus. I hate these fucking things.
told you they go pre-running and come back with a different problem every time.
Hey, how's it going?
That's a big deal.
What?